mock test from Kiit University. You can, first of all, you have to register for the mock test. Link is in video description. First of all, open the link, and then if you open the link, then you will see like this. Then you have to put your Gmail ID. I'm going to put my Gmail ID @gmail.com. After this, you have to put your name. What is your name? Make sure your Gmail ID is correct, otherwise you will not get the link of exam. Sorry, SING. And then in this section you have to put your SIID. If you want to put, then okay. If you don't want to put SIID, then ignore it. This is not compulsory, this is optional. Here you have to put your phone number. What is your phone number? You have to put without country code. Suppose this is my phone number, and then you have to choose from which country you belong. If you are from other country, I am from Nepal, so I am going to choose Nepal. If you are from other country, then you can select. If your country is not here, then you can select other and put your country name. And then is your Kiit first choice? If your Kiit is first choice, then put yes. If not first choice, then put no. And then you can submit it. Another thing, another mock test will conduct on 20 May. I will put the link of mock test on the video description. You can register for it, and then you can apply for. This mock test is conducted by Kiit University on 20 May. This mock test will conduct by a private institution of Nepal, where foreign students are also allowed, so you can take both mock tests. If you have any confusion, then comment in comment box and subscribe my channel for the latest update.